You already know how to create a clean, beginner-friendly digital product in Canva. Now it's time to raise the bar and make your designs smarter, faster to produce, and more valuable for your customers. In this video, I'll show you how to take a basic planner and level it up using Canva's most powerful tools. These are the same tools professional designers use to save time and make their products feel polished. By the end of this, you'll know how to use Canva's AI tools, build pages in bulk, add smart visuals, and create interactive experiences. This is how you go from designing like a beginner to selling like a pro. Let's say you've created a minimalist daily planner. It's clean, well laid out, and has all the basic elements. In part 1, we covered the design basics. Now, you want to turn that same product into a bundle, personalize it, and give it interactive features that feel high-end. Magic right. Start with the content. Writing your product descriptions, headings, page titles, and instructions can be time-consuming. Canva's Magic Write makes this part easier. Open a new Canva doc and click the sparkle icon. Type something like, "Write an Etsy product description for a printable minimalist productivity planner," and Magic Write will generate one instantly. You can refine it, but now you're not starting from scratch. This tool also helps with things like promotional blurbs, thank you page messages, or captions for your product previews. You can also use it to write page prompts. For example, if your planner includes journaling pages, ask Magic Write to generate 30 journal questions focused on mindfulness or productivity. It gives you instant structure you can paste straight into your layout. Bulk create. Let's say you want to turn your planner into a multi-page product. Maybe each page has a different motivational quote, or you're creating a tracker that covers different topics. You don't need to build each page manually. This is where bulk create comes in. First, create a spreadsheet with the content variations, like quotes, days of the week, or tasks. In Canva, open your design, go to the Apps panel, and find Bulk Create. Upload your spreadsheet or build the table directly inside Canva. Then link each design element, like a text box, to the right data column. When you generate the pages, Canva fills in the design for you. What used to take hours now takes minutes. You can use Bulk Create for much more than quotes. Say you're building a wellness journal. You can use Bulk Create to generate pages with different affirmations, tracking goals, or even meal ideas. If you're creating a financial planner, you can create pages with different budgeting tips, expense categories, or savings challenges. As long as your content fits into a table, you can automate it. This feature alone makes it possible to turn a 5-page product into a 40-page bundle with almost no extra design work. Magic design. Let's say you want to give your planner a fresh look before launching. Instead of starting over, try Magic design. Type in a prompt like soft neutral weekly planner with handwritten font, and Canva generates sample layouts. Choose one that fits your brand and open it up to tweak. This isn't about replacing your work. It's about seeing different ideas and picking the best one fast. It can help you break design blocks or test new styles without rebuilding everything. Now your planner has a great layout, multiple pages, and clean content. The next step is visual polish. Magic media. One thing that separates basic designs from professional ones is the quality of images and backgrounds. Instead of searching endlessly through Canva's image library, try Magic Media. This tool lets you create images by describing what you want. Type calm beige watercolor texture or abstract background with natural tones, and it generates original visuals. These can be used as page accents, backgrounds, or cover designs. You can also generate illustrations that match your planner's theme. If your planner is focused on wellness, you could create icons like a yoga mat, smoothie, or sleep tracker symbol, all in a style that matches your design. This tool is especially helpful when you're creating products that need a cohesive visual theme. You don't want to use 5 random icons that all look different. With Magic Media, you can type 5 matching icons in soft outline style for a productivity planner, and it'll give you a complete matching set. This helps your design feel consistent from page to page, even if you're using different elements. Magic Edit, Eraser, and Grab. If you already have images but need to edit them, Magic Edit is a strong option. Say your planner cover includes a photo that doesn't quite fit your color scheme. Click Magic Edit, brush over the part you want to change, and type a prompt. For example, replace flowers with a minimalist desk setup. Canva swaps it without breaking your layout. This is useful when you want your design to stay consistent, but your image needs a change. Sometimes you don't want to replace something. You want to erase it. Magic Eraser helps you clean up photos by brushing out unwanted elements. If your background photo has a logo, a distracting object, or even an odd shadow, use this tool to clean it up without leaving obvious marks. It's small changes like this that make a product look finished. You might also need to isolate a single object from an image. That's what Magic Grab is for. Select an item, like a coffee mug, and separate it from the background so you can use it in a different place. This works especially well for mock-ups and product previews when you want to highlight an object without keeping the entire original image. By now, your planner should look visually strong. Now let's add some advanced structure to it. Canva Sheets. If you're creating multiple types of planner pages, like daily, weekly, and monthly, it can get hard to keep everything organized. Canva Sheets helps with this. It looks like a spreadsheet, but it works like a design tool. Use it to plan your layouts, keep track of page elements, or organize content like prompts, dates, or themes. You can even link Canva Sheets to your design with Bulk Create. It's like having a built-in content manager. You can also use Sheets to manage client projects. If you're building a series of templates for different niches, track them all in one place. For example, you could list ideas for wellness, budgeting, and business planners, then create a status column to mark what's designed, what's drafted, and what's published. Keeping this organized helps you grow faster and makes it easier to repurpose content later. Adding interactive elements. Let's move into interactive features. If you're offering a digital planner meant to be used on tablets or phones, your design needs more than just good looks. It should be functional. Canva now lets you add clickable links to elements in your design. Use this to build a simple navigation system. Add a homepage with links to your daily, weekly, and monthly views. When someone taps weekly, it jumps to that page. It feels smooth and professional, and it's easy to set up. Just click an element, go to link, and choose the page it should go to. You don't need any code. This one feature takes your product from static to smart. Magic Charts. If your planner includes any type of tracking or data input, like goal tracking or budgeting, you can also add Magic Charts. Enter your data in a table, and Canva automatically turns it into clean, styled charts. Use pie charts for time tracking or bar graphs for habit progress. You can match the chart style to your color palette so it looks cohesive. This is a great way to include visual feedback in your products and gives your customers something more than just checkboxes. Magic Resize. Once your product is finished, Canva's Magic Resize tool helps you prepare it for different platforms. Say your original planner preview is in square format. You can instantly create versions for Instagram stories, Pinterest pins, or YouTube thumbnails. Canva resizes the layout while keeping your elements in place. Sometimes you need to move things slightly afterward, but the base conversion saves hours. Brand Kit. Let's not forget the importance of consistency. If you're building a brand, Canva's Brand Kit helps you lock in your style. Save your fonts, brand colors, and logo. Every new design will default to those choices, which saves time and keeps your products looking unified. You can also train Magic Write to use your brand voice. Give it a few good examples, and it will learn your style for future outputs. Tips. Here's a tip to speed up your workflow even more. Create design folders inside Canva by product type. You could have one for planners, one for social media templates, and one for printable journals. Inside each, store your layout drafts, final exports, cover previews, and mock-ups. That way, you're not scrolling through a mess of files when you need to update something or relist a product. You can also create branded template kits. If you're launching a line of planners, build a base template with your fonts, margins, icons, and default elements already set. Then duplicate it each time you make a new product. It gives you a head start and keeps your line consistent. Let's recap the new workflow you now have. You start by planning your product using Canva Docs and Canva Sheets. You generate your written content with Magic Write. You build your layout with Magic Design and add visuals using Magic Media. You edit, erase, and polish images with Magic Edit, Magic Eraser, and Magic Grab. You use Bulk Create to build multiple versions fast. You add charts and links to make the product smarter. You preview it with animation, resize it for different platforms, and export everything cleanly. That's a complete, scalable workflow. You've gone from a basic daily planner to a fully branded, smart, multi-page, interactive digital product that looks and performs like a premium listing. You're not stuck in beginner mode anymore. You're using tools that help you scale your creativity, not limit it. This is what separates a hobbyist from someone building a real digital product business. You've now completed the second part of this Canva tutorial. In part 1, you learned how to build clean, clear designs. In part 2, you learned how to make them smarter, faster, and ready for real sales. Which Canva feature are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.